children, welcome to part 2 of Arithmetic Progression's very important questions. Let's begin. 10th question. Determine the 10th term from the end of the AP 4, 9, 14, 25,411. The AP is given like this. It is in ascending order. Let us reverse it. We get 25,411, 25,406, 14, 9 and 4. Here, the first term is 25,411 and the common difference is minus 5. Then, he is asking us A10, the 10th term. 10th term is nothing but A plus 9D, which is 25,411 plus 9 into minus 5, which is equal to 25,366. Hence, the 10th term from the end of the AP for 4, 9, 14 till 25,411 is 25,366. 11th question. If p plus 2, 3p and 4p plus 1 are in AP, find p. If they are in AP, the common difference should be the same. Hence, the first common difference, the second term minus the first term, which is 2p plus 2. The third term minus the second term is also the common difference, which is equal to p plus 1. These two should be equal. Hence, 2p plus 2 is equal to p plus 1, and we get, by simplification, p is equal to minus 1. 12th question. Is 302 a term of the AP 3, 8, 13, What is given? The first term A is 3. The common difference D is equal to 5. Let AN be equal to 302. By applying the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, we get 302 is equal to 3 plus N minus 1 into 5, which is 299 is equal to N minus 1 into 5. Hence, by simplification, we get N is equal to 299 by 5 plus 1, which is not a whole number. Hence, 302 is not a term of the AP. 13th question. If 8th term of an AP is 31 and 15th term is 16 more than 11th term, find the AP. Given A8 is equal to 31. A8 is nothing but A plus 70, which is equal to 31. The condition 2 was 15th term, A15 is equal to 16 more than 11th term, 16 plus A11. By expanding it, we get A plus 14D is equal to 16 plus A plus 10D. After simplification, we get D is equal to 4. By substituting D is equal to 4 in this equation, the first one, we get A plus 7D is equal to 31. A plus 28 is equal to 31. Hence, we get A is equal to 3. We get the AP as A plus D and A plus 2D . We get it as 3, 7, 11 . 14th question. Which term of the AP 5, 15, 25 and so on will be 130 more than its 31st term? We have 5, 15, 25 so on till AN. Here the first term is 5, the common difference is 10. Hence we have AN is equal to 130 plus A31. By expanding it, we get A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 130 plus A plus 30D. After simplification, we get N minus 1 is equal to 430 by 10, where we have N is equal to 43 plus 1, which is equal to 44. 15th question. Find the sum of first 15 terms of an AP whose nth term is 9 minus 5n. An is equal to 9 minus 5n. By substituting n is equal to 1, we get a1 is equal to 4 and a2 is equal to minus 1. And hence the common difference D is equal to a2 minus a1, which is equal to minus 5. The AP becomes 4 minus 1 and so on. The question asked is S15. The formula we apply is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Hence we get S15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 8 plus 14 into minus 5. After simplification, we get it as minus 465. Hence, S15 is equal to minus 465. 16th question. In an AP, the sum of first n terms is 3n square by 2 plus 5n by 2. Find its 25th term. He has given Sn is equal to 3n square by 2 plus 5n by 2. By substituting n is equal to 1, we get S1 is equal to 4 and S2 is equal to 11. We know that the first term a1 is equal to 4 and a2 is equal to s2 minus s1. Hence a2 is equal to 7. The AP becomes 4, 7, 10, 13 and so on. And a25 is equal to a plus 24d, which is equal to 4 plus 24 into 3, which is equal to 76. 17th question. How many terms of the series 54, 51, 48 be taken so that their sum is 513? Explain the double answer. Here, the first term is 54, the common difference is minus 3 and sum is given as 513. By applying the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, we get 513 is equal to n by 2 into 54 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. 1026 is equal to n into 111 minus 3n. By simplifying, we get as minus 3n square plus 111n minus 1026 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole equation by 3. N square minus 37n plus 342 is equal to 0. So, we 37 minus 37 can be split into minus 18 and minus 19. Hence, n square minus 18n minus 19n plus 342 is equal to 0. Take n as common here, n minus 18 minus 19 as common, n minus 18 is equal to 0. Hence, we get n minus 19 into n minus 18 is equal to 0. N is equal to 19 and 18. We get the double answer where both are correct. Let us check. A19 is equal to 0. Hence, S18 will be equal to 513. Since the 19th term is 0, we get S19 is also equal to 513. 18th question. The sum of three terms of an AP is 3. The product is minus 35. Find the numbers. What is given? The sum is 3 and the product is minus 35. Let the first term be a minus d, the second term as d, and the third term as a plus d. The common difference is the same. He says the sum is 3. When we add these 3, we get 3a is equal to 3, a is equal to 1. Multiply, the product is equal to minus 35. Apply the formula a minus d into a plus d is a square minus d square into a is equal to minus 35. Hence we get 1 minus d square since a is equal to 1. 1 minus d square is equal to minus 35. Minus d square is equal to minus 36. D is equal to plus or minus 6. The numbers are when d is equal to plus 6, a minus d is minus 5, a is 1, a plus d is 7. When d is minus 6, a minus d is 7, a is 1 and a plus d is equal to minus 5. Both answers are to be written. Question 19. If the sum of n terms of the AP is given as Sn is equal to 3n square plus 2n, find the nth term and 12th term. Sn is equal to 3n square plus 2n. Substituting the values n is equal to 1, 2, 3, we get S1 is equal to 5, S2 is equal to 16, S3 is equal to 33. We have an is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Here we get a1 is equal to s1 which is equal to 5, a2 is equal to 11, a3 is equal to 17. Hence the AP becomes 5, 11, 17 and so on, where the first term is 5 and the common difference is 6. We get an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. By substituting the values, we get 5 plus n minus 1 into 6, which is an is equal to 6n minus 1. Hence, we get a12 is equal to a plus 11d, which is 5 plus 11 into 6, which is 71. The solution is an is equal to 6n minus 1 and a12 is equal to 71. 20th question. Which term of the sequence 20, 19 1 by 4, 18 1 by 2 and so on is the first negative term? Here in the series, let an is less than 0, where the first term is 20, the common difference is minus 3 by 4. By substituting values in a plus n minus 1 into d is less than 0, we get 20 plus n minus 1 into minus 3 by 4 is less than 0. Hence, we get it as minus of n minus 1 is less than minus 20 into 4 by 3, its multiplicative inverse, and n minus 1 is greater than 80 by 3. Hence, n is greater than 27 2 by 3, which one will be 28. Let us check what is A28. A28 is A plus 27D. 20 plus 27 into minus 3 by 4, which is equal to minus 1 by 4. Hence, that is the first negative term. Coming to the case study question. India is competitive manufacturing location due to the low cost of manpower and strong technical and engineering capabilities contributing to higher quality production runs. The production of TV sets in a factory increases uniformly by a fixed number every year. It produced 16,000 sets in 6th year and 22,600 in 9th year. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. The questions are as follows. The first question is find the production during the first year. The second one, find the production during the 8th year. Third one, find the production during first 3 years. In which year the production is rupees 29,200 is the fourth question. Fifth question is find the difference of the production during 7th year and 4th year. The series is A6 is 16,000 and A9 is 22,600. When we expand A9 as A plus 8D is equal to 22,600. A6 as A plus 5D is equal to 16,000. After simplification, we get D is equal to 2,200. Hence, we get in applying in the first equation A plus 5D is equal to 16,000, D as 2200, we get A is equal to 5,000. Hence, the first answer A, the first production is 5,000. The second question A8, eighth term is given by A plus 7D, which is 5,000 plus 7 into 2200, which is 20,400. The third answer is he is asking you the sum of three terms, that is 3 by 2 into 5,000 plus 2 into 2200. We get the answer as 26,600. Fourth question, he is asking you the an term, that is n is equal to how much, where an is equal to 29,200, which is 5,000 plus n minus 1 into 2200. By applying the formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. N is equal to 12. This is the answer we get. Coming to the fifth answer, he is asking you the difference between the seventh term and the fourth term. The seventh term is a plus 60, which is 18,200. Fourth term is a plus 3d, which is 11,600. The difference is 6,600. Thank you, children, for watching my videos. Hope you found them very interesting. Stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.